Let's get started. Hi Jane, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I just got back from my trip to Italy.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How did you get around there?
I mostly used public transportation. It was very convenient and cheap.
Did you see any famous landmarks?
Yes, I visited the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I'm so jealous. I've always wanted to go to Italy.
Maybe you can go someday. You just need to get ahead in your work and save some money.
That's easier said than done. I have so much to do, and so little time.
Don't worry, you can do it. You just need to get up early and get after your tasks.
Thanks for the encouragement, John. You're such a good friend.
You're welcome, Jane. I'm glad we get along so well.
Me too. By the way, can I borrow your English book? I left mine at home.
Sure, no problem. But can you please return it tomorrow? I need to get it back before the test.
Of course, I promise. I won't get away with keeping your book.
Thanks, Jane. I appreciate it. Here you go.
Thank you, John. You're very kind. Hey, do you want to join me for lunch?
Sure, why not? Let's go.
Okay, great. Let's get out of here then.
Wait, before we go, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Do you remember that guy who was rude to me at the party last week?
Yeah, I do. He was such a jerk.
Well, I found out his name and where he works.
Really? How did you do that?
I have my ways. Anyway, I want to get back at him for what he did. Do you want to help me?
I don't know, John. That sounds risky. What do you have in mind?
Nothing too serious. Just a little prank to make him look silly.
Like what?
Well, I was thinking of sending him a fake email from his boss, telling him to wear a clown costume to work tomorrow.
What? That's hilarious. But also mean.
Come on, Jane. It's just a joke. He deserves it.
I guess he does. But what if he finds out it was you?
He won't. I'll use a fake email address and a VPN. He'll never trace it back to me.
Okay, fine. I'll help you. But only if you promise to stop after this.
I promise. Thank you, Jane. You're the best.
You're welcome, John. But you owe me one.
Deal. Now let's go and have some fun.
Okay, let's go. But first, can you explain to me how to use a VPN?
Sure, I'll try to get it across to you. It's not that hard.
Okay, thanks. I hope you're right.
Trust me, I am. Come on, let's go.